future CAs, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something every CA foundation student should prioritize. That is the mock test papers. In this video we'll discuss why mock tests are crucial for your success, key tips to keep in mind while attempting them, and we'll also discuss the ICI mock test schedule for each of the subjects. So if you are ready to ace your CA foundation exams, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So first we will start the video with discussion about the importance of attempting mock test papers. Then we will discuss some general guidelines to keep in mind while attempting the mock test paper. And we'll also be discussing some subject specific points as well. So first let's talk about why mock test papers are so important. So let's look at some of the top reasons as to why every CA student should prioritize mock test papers. Real exam experience. Mock tests replicate the actual exam environment. By practicing in similar condition, you get used to the pressure and timing of a real exam. So this helps build confidence, and it also helps in reducing the exam anxiety. Understanding the exam pattern and weightage. Mock test papers are often structured similarly to the main exam, helping you understand the question pattern, marks distribution, and key focus area. So this familiarity allows you to strategize effectively during your real exams. Time management. One of the biggest challenges in exams is managing time. Mock test papers teach you how to allocate time to different sections and ensure you complete the paper within the allotted time. Sometimes the question papers are lengthy. So if you practice mock test papers, you will get an idea as to how you can complete the question paper within the time. Self-assessment. Mock test papers highlight your strengths and weaknesses. By reviewing your answer, you can identify areas that need more work and improve on them before the final exam. Confidence booster. With each mock test paper, you will feel more prepared and confident. Knowing you have practiced enough will allow you to approach the real exam with a calm and focused mindset. Now that we know the importance of mock test papers, let's go over to some essential tips for attempting them effectively. Whether you're doing descriptive or MCQ based papers, these tips will help you make the most out of each mock test papers. Simulate exam conditions. Attempt your mock test paper in a quiet place with no interruptions and stick to the actual exam timings. This will give you a true experience of how you feel on the exam day. Stick to the time limit. For descriptive papers such as accounting and business laws, practice completing each answer within the allocated time. And for MCQ papers like Quantitative Aptitude and Business Economics, avoid spending too much time on single question. If there is any question which you do not know the answer, you can note it down and keep. And if time permits, later on you can revisit the question and try to answer it. Avoid guesswork in MCQs. In MCQ based subjects, focus on accuracy over speed. For each question, rule out options carefully rather than guessing randomly, as there is negative marking. Use mock test to sharpen this elimination technique. Review your mistakes. Mock tests are only beneficial if you review your answers afterwards. Take time to analyze mistakes and understand where you went wrong. For descriptive answers, review the structure and language you used. For accounting paper, ensure you have followed the relevant formats. And also ensure you have given the appropriate working note as a part of your answer. For business law, follow the proper way of presenting your answers. Previously, I had made a video on how to present answers for case study as well as for direct theory questions pertaining to business law. The link to those videos are given in the description below. You can watch those videos as well. You will get an idea as to how to present answers in business laws. Keep a track of your improvement. Maintain a log of your scores and progress in each mock test. This way you can see the areas where you are improving and the ones that you still need to work on. Tracking your growth will also motivate you to keep going. Adjust your strategy as needed. Mock tests are a great way to experiment with different strategies. For instance, if you are unsure about which section to tackle first, try in different orders during your mock test and see which approach works best for you. And then you can follow the same in the real exams. Now coming to some subject specific guidance. So first paper 1 accounting. This is a descriptive paper. Few key points to keep in mind while attempting accounting paper are as follows. Focus on step-by-step presentation. So write step-by-step solutions. Present journal entries, ledger accounts and balance sheets systematically. Because partial marks are also awarded for correct step. Even if the final answer is incorrect, you will get marks for each step as there is stepwise marking. Prioritize accuracy over speed. Double check calculations, totals and carry forwards. Mistakes in numbers or formats can lead to significant mark deduction. Manage time for lengthy questions. Questions like final accounts or partnership accounts can be lengthy. Allocate sufficient time for these without compromising smaller theory-based questions. Use appropriate headings. Structure your answers with clear headings and subheadings. That is working notes, journal entries, P&L account, balance sheet, etc. This helps in quick evaluation by the examiners. Now coming to some subject specific guidance for business law subject. This will also be a descriptive type paper. Start with the structured framework. So while writing the answers, follow the IRAC method, that is issue, rule, application and conclusion for case-based questions. So first clearly state the legal issue, then mention the applicable law and apply it to the relevant facts and you can provide a detailed conclusion. Quote sections wherever possible. If you remember specific section numbers, include them for better impression. If unsure, avoid guessing sections, but ensure you explain the legal principle correctly. Write precise and concise answers. Avoid lengthy introductions. Focus on addressing the questions directly. Use bullet points or numbered list for clarity where applicable. Highlight key points. Use underlining or bold for important terms, legal principles or keywords to make your answer stand out. Now coming to some subject specific guidance for quantitative aptitude. This is a MCQ based question paper. Prioritize questions you are confident about. Since negative marking applies, only attempt questions where you are confident. Skip questions where you are unsure, as wrong answers can cost you your marks. Use elimination techniques. For tricky questions, eliminate obviously incorrect options to improve your chance of selecting the right answer. Work with speed and accuracy. Avoid spending too much time on one question. Select a time limit per question and move on if stuck. Use shortcuts or approximations to save time, but only if you are confident in their accuracy of the answers. Review formula-based questions. Revise key formulas. Most questions will directly or indirectly depend on these. Now coming to some subject-specific guidelines for business economics subject. This is also going to be an MCQ-based exam. Focus on conceptual understanding. Strong conceptual clarity will help you tackle both direct and application-based question confidently. Avoid rote learning for topics requiring logical thinking. Prioritize low-risk questions. Attempt straightforward questions first. If time permits, return to tougher questions after ensuring all confident questions are marked. Be careful with diagrams and graphs if any provided in the question. So if a question requires interpreting graph like demand supply curves, ensure you understand the axes rightly and what the question is asking before selecting an option. Read questions and options carefully. MCQ often includes closely related options to confuse you. Pay attention to keywords not in the question and then answer accordingly. Now coming to some general tips to keep in mind while attempting MCQ based questions. Mark tentative answers. So in case you are unsure about answer for any question, you can use a rough sheet and note down the answer for them. And later on, if time allows, you can revisit that question and then select the option. Guess smartly, but only if needed. If you can narrow it down to two options, a calculated guess may sometimes be worth it, but only it's a last resort as there is a negative marking as well. So by aligning your approach to the question types, you'll maximize the marks and minimize the negative impact during your CA Foundation mock tests and also in your real exams. Now coming to the schedule and timing for the mock test paper. So the ICA has announced the mock test paper series 1 and series 2 for the January 2025 exams. These mock tests will be conducted in physical and virtual modes as well. In case you are interested in the physical mode of writing this mock test paper, you can approach the respective branch in your area. Now coming to the schedule and timing of the series 1 of the mock test paper. So series 1 of the mock test paper is starting from 28th December. So 28th December 2024 paper 1 accounting and 21st December 2024 paper 2 business law. The timing for paper 1 accounting and paper 2 business law will be from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Then 23rd December 2024 paper 3 quantitative aptitude and 24th December 2024 paper 4 business economics. The timing for paper 3 and paper 4 will be from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Now coming to the date and timing of series 2 of mock test papers. 31st December 2024 paper 1 accounting. 2nd January 2025 paper 2 business laws. The timing for paper 1 and paper 2 will be from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. 3rd January 2025 paper 3 quantitative aptitude and 4th January 2025 paper 4 business economics. The timing of mock test paper for paper 3 and paper 4 will be from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm. So you can download the question paper as well as the answer of these mock test papers from the BOS Knowledge portal and also from the ICAI BOS mobile app. You can register for this from the Student Activities portal. The link will be given in the description below. You can access it from there. In case you want to appear for the MTP in person, you are advised to contact your nearest branch office of the ICA. The question paper for each subject will be uploaded at the BOS Knowledge portal as per the schedule by 1:30 p.m. every day during this period. So you can download and attempt these papers within the stipulated time frame. And the answers to this will be uploaded within 48 hours. You can examine your answer sheet with the answers provided here and you can assess your performance. And that's it. Mock test papers are a crucial part of your CA foundation journey. By following these tips and sticking to a schedule, you will build confidence, improve your time management, and also refine your knowledge. Remember, every mock test is a stepping stone to success. So give it your best shot. Review your progress and keep improving. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your fellow CA aspirants and also subscribe to my channel for more CA tips and guidance. Keep, keep pushing forward on this journey to becoming a chartered accountant. All the best and I will see you all in the next video.